A federal judge has blocked the Pima County Sheriff Deputy's attempt to be taken off administrative leave after filing a federal lawsuit against Sheriff Chris Nanos. The case has been getting a lot of attention, with many accusing the sheriff of playing politics. Sergeant Aaron Cross was put on leave after the sheriff accused him of campaigning for his political opponent while looking too much like an on-duty deputy. News 4 Tucson's chief investigative reporter, Corus Nylander, has been following this whole case. He's inside the courtroom today and joins us live outside a federal court in downtown Tucson. Corus, what's the latest?
Yeah, well, the judge listened to both sides this morning for a little more than a half hour, was not in a position to make a decision from the bench, but just a few hours ago came out with this ruling, which seems to really meet both parties in the middle of the road.
You have to respect the constitutional rights of police officers, and the idea that someone can't protest when they're wearing a gray t-shirt and different color pants than people wear for the department is seriously concerning.
That was attorney Steve Serbalik's plea to a federal judge Monday morning about why his client, Sergeant Aaron Cross, he believes, was unfairly placed on administrative leave 2 weeks ago. Cross was out campaigning for Sheriff Chris Nanos' political opponent, Heather Lappin, dressed like this. Nanos says he was warned by his supervisor to not dress like that again, but 2 days later was again dressed in a way the sheriff deemed too closely resembled an on-duty deputy. Now Serbalik says his client feels he needs to dress like this to avoid any issues. He raised the question to the judge today, what is prohibited attire for an off-duty deputy to wear? Attorneys for Nanos couldn't give a clear answer.
Everyone knows what a uniform means. It has a badge, it has patches, it has rank insignia. Aaron Cross was never wearing any of those things because he wanted to make sure that he was following the uniform policy.
The judge denied Cross's request for a preliminary injunction, writing, quote, plaintiffs have failed to meet the preliminary injunction standard. The court finds while there are serious questions going to the merits of plaintiff's case, the balance of equities does not weigh sharply in plaintiff's favor. Plaintiffs have not shown irreparable harm, and an injunction is not in the public interest. But the judge also ordered the sheriff's department to provide clarity on what clothing is prohibited attire for a deputy to wear during political activities, something Cross's team clearly wanted. And after this decision came out this afternoon, Serbalik told me he's going to continue fighting for his client's First Amendment rights, and he looks forward to hearing the sheriff's explanation about that requested clarification from the judge about what is prohibited. That's supposed to be issued tomorrow. Throughout this, Sheriff Nanos has said he does not comment on pending litigation. Just about an hour or so ago, the sheriff's office did send out a press release saying that this ruling speaks for itself. Even though Nanos' main political opponent, Heather Lappin, is also on leave, she is not mentioned in this lawsuit. Serbalik was not willing to commit at this point if they're going to be filing any similar action on her behalf. We'll keep you updated. We're live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Tucson tonight. Corus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.
And to view that document of the judge's decision, visit our website at KVOA.com. The investigation